It's Michael Farr from Farr, Miller & Washington. Thanks for joining me again this week. Markets have been volatile, but basically in something of a sawtooth pattern, up and down around that high 17,000 number on the Dow, close to 18,000. Good news and bad news. Greece and oil supplies and other things have been moving markets around. The oil, as you know, has gone from sort of the low mid-40s to $54, $55 a barrel, in that range. Now back down to $50 a barrel today based on some new, more positive inventory projections. It's going to be interesting to see where oil really settles out. The 10-year Treasury has increased in yield and therefore fallen in price. We are now up to 1.99% yield on the Treasury. It doesn't sound like much, but we were down at 1.7%, so about a 30% increase in the yield on the U.S. Treasury. When you're only talking about 1.7 or 2%, that's kind of a big number. I mean, that's what, 15%? 33 basis points is what the German 10-year Bund is yielding entirely. That's right, you get 1/3 of 1% for 10 years if you want to invest in the German 10-year right now. Pretty much same with the Japanese 10-year. I think a couple of things to watch. We've been hearing more rhetoric out of the Fed saying that they want to increase rates. We've got a meeting coming up in March. Economic data lately have been weak, and I'm looking for two things. One, we haven't heard much discussion of this, but last year we saw the first quarter economic data proved much weaker because of weather. Now, we know that the Northeast is getting socked with snow over and over again. I think that weather will at least have an effect on the Northeast and the economy, and it could weaken data a bit. The other thing is that Bullard said that he wanted, Jim Bullard from the St. Louis Fed said he wants the word patience removed from the next Fed statement. So this next few weeks of economic data, if they tend to be a little bit weaker, may preclude the Fed from moving the word patience from their statement. If they remove that word on the 18th, March 18th, when they release their statement, I think it'll be very significant and will tell you then that they will or will not. When you see the word patience go, you know that we're within 6 months of seeing, I believe, that Fed raise the interest rate. So lots to watch. I'm not sure that the economic data are as strong as most had suspected. And I think that we look out a little bit, that could continue a little bit weaker than expected because of weather. So pay attention to the weather. Pay attention to the Fed statement and the word patience. Don't get too caught up with the short-term gyrations. Keep your eye on the fundamentals. At the fish market, they say ignore the screaming and yelling and pay attention to the price of fish. Pay attention to the price of your investments and make sure that there's real value there and that you know why you own what you own. If you need a little help with that, give us a call at Farr, Miller & Washington. Thanks for tuning in again. I'm Michael Farr.